Hello, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for January 18th through January 22nd, 2021. Our menu for the week is follows. School is closed on Monday due to Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. Tuesday, we'll be serving taco meat, cheese, and chips. Wednesday, hamburger or cheeseburger. Thursday, corn dog nuggets. Friday, a snack bag with Go-Gurt, string cheese, Doritos, and Bug Bites. Jaguars, remember to stop by and pick up your free breakfast before you head to class. If you have already eaten breakfast before you arrive to school, go ahead and pick up one and use it for snack later on in the day. RCL families, you may pick up your food each day from 10 a.m. till 10:30 at Jefferson Elementary. Once again, we have included some helpful information to use as a guide when experiencing sickness in your family and possible COVID-19 symptoms. It's very important to communicate with your child's teacher or our main office if anyone in your family has recently been tested for COVID, is currently positive, or your family has been placed on quarantine by the health department. Please familiarize yourself with the information on this slide to help guide your family with steps to take when someone in your family becomes ill. If you have any questions, please contact the school at 423-378-2270, or you may send a message to your child's teacher through Class Dojo. The Kids Heart Challenge has begun. All the information that you need is located on Miss Stathem's Canvas page. Even if you sign up, Jaguars, you'll receive a gift. So please contact Mrs. Statham with any questions you might have. An opportunity to use your hands to change the world. Hot off the press, hot off the press, hot off the press from Mrs. Chase. She is in search of great pictures of our Jaguars learning virtually from home, or how you might have chosen to play in the snow, or pictures of you Jaguars wearing your favorite mask. So email your pictures to Chase, that's JCHASE at K12K.com. Who knows, your picture just might make it into the Jefferson Yearbook. Parents of kindergarten through third grade students, Ready 4K is a research-based text messaging program that will help you continue your child's learning at home. It delivers 3 texts weekly with fun facts and activities to provide families with simple, engaging tips to help their children continue to learn while at home. Text messages should have already started appearing on your phone. These messages can be either in English or Spanish. We hope you will find this valuable resource helpful. You may opt out at any time by texting STOP, S-T-O-P, to 70138. And now it's time to celebrate some amazing Jaguars who are celebrating a birthday this week. On January 18th in 3rd grade is Avanthia MC. On January 19th in 4th grade is Lola B. Celebrating a birthday on January 21st in 3rd grade is Caitlin B. and in 5th grade Lily S. Celebrating a birthday on January 22nd in 2nd grade is Cody B. On January 23rd in 3rd grade, Griffin C. and in 1st grade, Elsie S. Celebrating a birthday on January 24th in 4th grade is Caden C. and in 4th grade, Carly C. Hope all of you guys enjoy celebrating your amazing birthday. We are so glad that you were created. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jaguars, now it's time for some words of wisdom. On Monday, January 18th, schools, businesses, and government offices across the nation will close in honor of a great American leader, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. As a young person, Dr. King was an excellent student who studied hard. He loved learning. His love for learning made him a great teacher and minister. He taught the world by way of example. He taught fairness, courage, and nonviolence. In honor of his birthday, let's remember his famous words, spoken at the historic March on Washington in 1963. I have a dream that one day in the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. Jaguars, the best way that we can honor this great human being and the hard work he did for people everywhere is to respect one another, today and every day, Be kind and respectful to one another. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Make it a great day because you choose to use the power of your positive words. You choose to be a positive role model. You choose to lead our country and our world to care for others. Jaguars, be a difference maker. Remember these words from Dr. King. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Jaguars, now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence. Be a difference maker.